Hey guys, I wasn't able to get a construction video put together for this week. We're dealing with a forest fire out by my house. It's the 5-mile Swampfire in Milton, Florida. The forestry department and fire department was able to get the fire contained 1.5 miles from my house. I was just a little bit too close for comfort. Definitely thought it was coming over our way, so we were out trying to prepare for it. I'm not going to post any pictures of people's houses that have been burned out and all that because they've already suffering enough devastation. It's definitely heartbreaking. People definitely need some help out there getting their stuff cleaned up and hauled off to the dump so they can get everything restarted. Also wanted to mention how Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Department was able to maintain good order and traffic flow during this crisis. They did an excellent job keeping the citizens of this area protected. That's a pretty creepy scene right here. Y'all pray the wind subside. Hey, get this thing put out. Wow, it's pretty crazy looking. Dang. A bunch of choppers in here down there too. Y'all, this is pretty crazy. It's right behind our house. Water everything down just in case any embers get over this way. Hopefully we'll be all right.
Starting to hear propane tanks.
This is where the tractor came through. There's fire right there.
Yeah, it's all over still.
Oh my gosh.
And the lady told me that if the winds kick up again, they get up.
Yeah. So they get about 400 trucks down there already. Very thankful that our house didn't get burnt. Got my beautiful wife here. She's happy.
The falling hills.
No. That's too bad.
It's still burning inside.
Yeah.
There's still flames inside.
This was definitely a pretty tragic situation to go through. A lot of destruction was done. A lot of people lost their homes. Y'all pray for these people for speedy recoveries and hopefully to get everything ironed out right with their insurance. If y'all would, subscribe to the channel, hit like and share. Thanks.